Don't you just hate it when you're checking your bank statement and you see the dreaded monthly maintenance fee? Angry face, it feels like you're being charged just for having an account. Well, what if I told you there's a way to avoid that fee completely, and with a major bank? That's where Ally Bank comes in. They're an online-only bank that's become a big deal because of their customer-friendly approach, and one of their biggest selling points is their no monthly maintenance fees on their checking and savings accounts. The cost of banking. Monthly maintenance fees, also known as service fees, are a common practice at many traditional brick-and-mortar banks. They're typically charged to cover the costs of running the bank, things like branches, staff, and other operational expenses. These fees can range from a few dollars to as much as $25 per month. While a few dollars might not seem like a lot, it adds up over time. Just $10 a month is $120 a year that you could have saved or invested. Now, many traditional banks will waive these fees if you meet certain requirements, like maintaining a minimum daily balance, having a certain number of direct deposits, or using your debit card a certain number of times. But let's be honest, those rules can be a hassle to keep track of, and if you slip up, you get hit with the fee anyway. Woman facepalming. The Ally difference: no fees, no fuss. This is where Ally's business model shines. As an online-only bank, they don't have the overhead costs of physical branches. They pass those savings on to you, the customer, by eliminating a lot of the common fees. With Ally, there is no need to stress about meeting minimum balance requirements or other complicated rules to avoid a fee. Their checking and savings accounts simply have no monthly maintenance fees, period. But what does this really mean for your money? Well, it means a few things. More of your money stays in your account. You're not losing a chunk of your cash every month just for having an account. This is especially helpful for people just starting their financial journey or for those who don't keep large balances. No stress over rules. You don't have to constantly monitor your balance or worry about the number of transactions you're making just to avoid a fee. This makes managing your money a lot more straightforward and stress-free. The freedom to use other features. Ally also has other features that are worth mentioning, like high-yield savings accounts that earn a competitive interest rate and a wide network of fee-free ATMs. So, you're not just saving money on fees, you're also making more money and have easy access to it. Ultimately, Ally's no monthly maintenance fee policy is a direct reflection of their mission to be a financial ally. They've simplified a key aspect of banking, making it easier for you to keep more of your hard-earned money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.